If you're using minoxidil, you should stop right now because it's literally ruining your hair. You know, like my hair looks nice right now, right? It looks the best that it's looked in a minute. I found a product that's really been helping me to grow back my hair since I gave birth. You know, some people experience hair loss after pregnancy, and I was one of those people, but I found something on Amazon. I love Amazon, and I'm gonna put this in my storefront as well, but I want to show you right now. This is the STEMZ by Proangenix. It's an all natural hair follicle support. It says for women, but honestly, my husband's been using it as well. And I've been seeing like a major difference in his hair growth, the way that his hair is growing. This stuff right here, it's like an intense energy cellular process. Like, understand what I'm saying when I say that. I mean that there's way more to the hair than meets the eye. There's way more than just the strand and the scalp. It's layers to it. So when you try to find products for your hair that are really going to support the hair growth and really activate it, you have to go to the root. You have to really dive deep into this hair game, and you have to really find products that are stressing the fact that they target each individual layer of the hair growth. And that's exactly what they do. So I encourage you to check this out. I use STEMZ in two different ways. One way is when I'm fresh out the shower. The way that my hair feels, the follicles being open, this reacts so well to my hair. I love it so much. It's a nice warm peppermint feeling that really triggers and makes it feel like it's oh my gosh, okay, fine. It makes it feel like it's really working for me, and I love that so much. So I first use it fresh out the shower. Second, I use it before bed. So I use it every single day, and sometimes I alternate fresh out the shower or before bed. I usually do it as a night situation so that I'm not messing with my hair or playing around or getting sweaty or anything. So also, it's really important that when you use this, you massage your hair and do it in a pinching motion, like grabbing the follicles, grabbing the scalp, grabbing the strands. Grab it all to really get it in there. And I suggest doing it for 3 minutes. It does say to do it on the package for 3 minutes, but I definitely suggest doing that. You'll start to feel it really working after the first minute and a half or so. So it's really cool. It's like a really cool experience. Like as you get older, you kind of feel like age really shows through signs of like hair and hormones or growth or your bones. But honestly, people experience hair growth at all different types of ages for all different types of reasons. So it's cool to find easy products that you can access, like this one, the STEMZ by Proangenix, straight from Amazon, so it's easy to access. So this pack right here comes with 2 of them, and I keep one by my bedside where some of my hair products are, my bonnet, things like that, and I keep one in my bathroom, so like I said, I can use it and it's easily accessible after I take a shower. I'll be sure to link everything down below so that you know where to get it, how to get it, all that great stuff if you do happen to check this out. And like I said, it does say for women, but I know that a man can use it, like I said. So go ahead and definitely check this out down below. I'll go ahead and link everything for you, and if you do happen to check it out, if you do decide to use it, this right here will give you a 2-month supply. Let me know how you like it. I would like to know how your process is going, your results. Go ahead and tag me in your pictures on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all that type of stuff. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching.